Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika aka Miss Magic, back with another video. So today I am going to tell you how and what techniques I use to grow my hair almost 6-7 inches in less than a year. It has taken me a long time to figure it out. I'm going to tell you everything I did to grow my hair. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. Give me a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. And go ahead and share this video out to all your friends. Guys, I am a hairstylist, have been a hairstylist for over 20 years, and I'm ashamed to say my hair has never been this long. It has never been this healthy, and I'm a hairstylist. But hey, what you gonna do? So we're gonna jump right on into this video, all right? So the first thing that I did was get rid of my relaxer. I mean, point blank, I hated relaxers. I hated getting my hair relaxed, but I love my hair straight. And I just think it was a misconception that I grew up with all these years. My mother relaxed my hair. She relaxed her hair. My grandmother relaxed her hair. And I think before that it was just pressing curls. But I came to the realization that early on, and this is before silk press, this is before any of that, that I just did not want a relaxer anymore. It wasn't that I wanted to go natural, I just didn't want a relaxer anymore. And at that time, Chi irons and flat irons were kind of new and they were just coming out. And so I said, I'm good. I don't want to relax anymore. So I totally got rid of my relaxer and I grew it out. I didn't do a big chop, because at that time, big chop wasn't really the thing. I just grew it out and just kept clipping my ends until all of the relaxer was out. All right, second thing you want to do is make sure your hair is thoroughly moisturized. You want your hair to be hydrated at all times. And what I mean by that is make sure you are doing a deep conditioner. At least I do mine at least once a week. Not at least once a week. I make sure at least twice a month I am thoroughly deep conditioned. I try to do it once a week, but you know, things happen and you can't get to your hair like that. But it is best to keep your hair hydrated. So my go-to deep conditioner is Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. And this is it right here. Love, love, love this conditioner. However, if you don't buy that, you can use any kind of deep conditioner mask that you have. And basically you're gonna take your, after you have clean, washed hair, you are going to thoroughly saturate your hair with a deep conditioner, comb it through, take a plastic cap, put it on. Best to sit under the dryer for 15-20 minutes, but hey, if you don't have time to sit under the dryer, just go ahead and let the cap sit on it, but it's best to put a cap on. You can condition your hair in the shower with regular conditioners, or you can deep condition with regular conditioners as well. Both work out just fine. All right guys, the third thing I truly believe in to keep your hair strong and healthy are protein treatments. If you know me, you can check out my videos. I got about 3 dedicated videos on this. I go with ApHogee. I love some ApHogee. Now this is a protein treatment that I only use twice a year. If your hair is severely damaged, then you will probably want to use it 4 times a year. And then you could go, as your hair gets healthier, you could do 3 times. Now I do 2 times. If you feel like your hair is good, at least once a year. And this protein, I'm not going to go through it right now because I do have a dedicated video on this. But this is a ApHogee 2-step treatment, and I swear by it. It will keep your hair so strong. It will stop the breakage, and also if you have heat damage, it will help your elasticity become stronger, and you will get your curls back. I swear by that. I have dedicated videos on it. The next method I thoroughly believe in is one and done. And what I mean by one and done is putting heat on your hair after it is clean, and that's it. No more heat. And this is extremely important if you are trying to keep your natural curls intact and not have the elasticity go out of it, which they call heat damage. This is very important. So what I do is on freshly washed and blow dried hair, I use my blow dryer. I will flat iron it. I will use whatever heat, a curling iron, flat iron. I'm only using it that same day that I washed and blow dried my hair. After that, I don't care what I do. I am not putting a flat iron on my hair or any type of heat, because after the first day, Your natural oils are coming out on your hair. The oils that you have already put in your hair are mixing in with sweat and dirt and debris. And what happens is when you put heat on this, it basically, you're cooking your hair. You're not deep frying it, but you're cooking your hair, and that is what's going to take those natural curls away. And that's how your curls lose their elasticity. So you do not, and it will help to over process your hair. So you do not want to use a flat iron or a curly iron on dirty hair after you have washed your hair. And I know that is so hard because we have bad hair days, your hair poofs up and you want to go back in and flat iron it. But like I said, it is extremely important if you are trying to keep your natural curls to keep the heat out of it after you have washed your hair for that first day. I'll even give you the second day, but really not even the second day. Just that first day is the day you can use heat. And I guarantee you, you will not lose a natural curl on your hair. And if you do lose a little curl, it will snap right back. Trust me. All right, guys. So next step is keeping these ends clipped. I have to fight my clients tooth and nail about clipping some of them. Everybody doesn't understand that once your ends, you're manipulating your hair, you're putting it up, you're washing it constantly, you're playing in it, and you're doing all these crazy things to your hair, your ends are going to split. And if they split, they're going to start splitting and going all the way up the hair shaft until you giving yourself a haircut without scissors. So to stop all of that, you must clip your ends every 4 to 8 weeks. And the reason why I say that, some people need their ends clipped at 4 weeks. Some people need their ends clipped at 6 weeks. And by 8 weeks, if you can make it to 8 weeks, you need your ends clipped. Now me right now, yes, I do need my ends clipped, and I am going to take off maybe like I don't know, maybe like 1/4 of my hair because it's getting too long for me to maintain. But I can't clip my ends myself, so I'm going to wait and go over to my mother's house so she can clip them. But best believe I clip my ends every 6 weeks. I'm a 6-weeker. I clip my ends every 6 weeks. So, and then the last thing that I want to tell you guys, after you've done your hair, it's done. However it's going to be, if you have wearing it natural or whatever, make sure you tie your hair up. And when I say that, you can be natural, you can be relaxed, you can be relaxed naturally straight like I am. I'm a natural, but I like to straighten my hair. At night, this hair is getting tied up regardless of whether I wrap it, whether I roll it, whatever I do, twist it, whatever I do, it's going to get wrapped up with a satin scarf, a bonnet, or something. You must wrap your hair up. So basically that's it in a nutshell. Like I said, you can't tell me, oh, that's your hair grows. You can't. No, baby, my hair in all these years, honey, I am over 40. My hair has never been this long because I finally figured out how to retain length, what your hair needs to retain length. I finally got that through my thick head. It's like I knew it all along, but I don't know, I didn't come to the realization of what to do. But I hope this helps you guys, and I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. Give me a big thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video, and share this video out. I hope to see you guys soon in past, present, and future videos. Love you guys. Bye.